Engineering design. Today I'm talking about engineering design, and I have completed my bachelor degree in mechanical engineering from Kathmandu University in 2018. Now it's almost 7 years has passed away since I have done my engineering. After doing engineering, I did intern in Kia Motors Continental, very popular, renowned company. Kia is, and I also did I after completing my bachelor degree, I worked at Ford Motor, which is which was started by Andy Ford, American citizen, and in Nepal. Um, and I also did work in construction, Tuachung Construction Private Limited, which construction deals about construction of road, bridges, hospitals, uh, statue, and so many things. And I also work at Kobila Dental Clinic, and after that I started my own business, small business. I also have workshop. Uh, current, Currently I am working on my own business. Now today I want to talk about how to design engineering design. First of all, you have to like, for example, if you want to make notice board, so you have to make design on the basis of your calculation. So calculations, you have to check deflection 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 test. You have to check deflection test, how much of weight, which material you want to use, and how much of weight is affecting your structure deflection wise. And you have to check buckling. Buckling means, if you have, like in notice board, you have stand uh, like horizontal structure, so you have to check buckling. And with using shift factor 1:5 ratio, you have to check your calculation, and you have to make you have to calculate deflection, total deflection. And if deflection is less than your safety of factor, then it will be okay. Third thing you have to do is, if you use like welding, and welding and screw, or like something like welding. So you have to check welding test. You have to do welding calculation, and also for pin calculation, nut bolt calculation, and the rivet calculation. You have to design those rivet, if you use rivet, or if you have to design bracket if you use rivet, and so many things. So these are the calculations. Material selection, and very important is material selection. you have to do construction wise, like strength wise and also cost wise. And you have to also do, or like how long you have to you want it to run. So that time factor is very important while selecting materials. And after completion of notice board, you can complete estimate your budget, calculation, literature review, and so on. This is how you do your the engineering design. One of my project was to while I was studying in university, Kathmandu University, Nepal. uh, I had to design notice board, so I did deflection test, buckling test, and welding test, and material selection. Material selection, eastern white wise, as well as eastern wise, cost wise, and how long it will run. So finally you have to calculate uh, your air resistance. Air resistance means uh, your structure or your design or your product will not be blown away by air while it's working. So you have to take air, and you also have to make a foundation. Foundation means base uh, calculation. So there is lots of calculation, literature review, and so much you have to read many things, and while designing any products. I also did projects like Spidocopter, AXA, mechanical um, pedal powered AXA, uh, go kart, uh, oxidylene CNC cutter, and turbo engine. Those were four to five few projects I did while studying. And nowadays I also study on like briquettes and toothpick manufacturing. So you have to for designing, and you have to do CAD designing after completion of your calculation, and you have done your literature review. You have to make a hand design for estimated design, and then you have to do CAD design. CAD means designing on computer, so that you can have easy understanding of your project's line engine. Like for example, in notice board, you have to design your notice board in CAD. You can use SolidWorks, or you can use AutoCAD for your uh, CAD design, computer aided design CAD. So these are few things that you have to consider while designing engineering wise. So designing is one of parts, so you have to also budget, and you have to make grand chart for your time completion. Also very important, how much long time uh, your project will be taking. So most of my projects I did was it took almost year or half year. Spidocopter was half year, and other four like hexa machine, um, pedal power hexa, go kart, CNC cutter, and turbo engine was year annual yearly projects which I completed. And after my college, I started my career on Ford automobile, Ford company, construction company, mm, dental clinic, hospital industry, and so many things. Now I've started my own business, um, and I'm also doing. I'm also starting my own workshop for creating products like toothpick and charcoal and other furnitures. So I use my designing, um, uh, like calculation, mid-year review, budget estimation, and grand chart for um, estimating time of projects, and cross cost budget or of project cost estimation, and literature review, and so on. Thank you. For more knowledge, please subscribe my channels and like. Thank you.